What's up, y'all? It's Jarmise, and I'm back with my fitness videos. I know, right? Okay, so I'm about to go to the store right now, and I'm going to Aldi first because I'm trying to get the biggest bang for my buck. I will attach the meals that I have planned for this week and the list that I've made so you can see what you need to get if you want to follow these meals. I'm going to do a slight meal prep. Like, I'm not going to prep everything, but I'm just going to get some things together, like cut my broccoli. I'm trying to make some parfaits, so I'm going to like go ahead and make my parfaits and stuff like that. So if you want to keep watching, you want to see what I get from the grocery store, then stay tuned. All right, y'all, so it is Monday morning. The sun is shining bright. It is about 7:48, 7:50, and I'm on my way to school. And I just want to show y'all for breakfast, I'm having a banana and some water, and this should hold me over until I get home at about 12:30, 1 o'clock. And then I'm going to fix my lunch. So I'll see y'all when we get back.
Bruh.
You wanna be somebody, want us to believe that you somebody to see, searching for a feeling, and you would give up anything just to show us you had it. All she wanna do is talk fashion, make a couple mil off passion. House on a hill, live lavish, lavish. Rolling with my hitters on the west side. Only got $1 in the drink. Pull up with your shawties, want the spotlight. Lights, camera, action, make a sing. Don't hit me crying from your bedside, cause you in love with the finer things. Don't hit me crying from your bedside, please. I can't give you the world, but I can't give you my heart. I can't give you the world, but I hope this is a start. You mean the world to me. You mean the world to me. You mean the world to me. Showing off. Baby girl walk in looking hotter than the summer. Make a brother wanna stop, drop, roll. Prima donna chasing after commas. Pop a collar, everybody know her heart to froze. Don't hear me crying from your bedside, cause you in love with the finer things. Don't hear me crying from your bedside, please. I can't give you the world, but I can't give you my heart. I can't give you the world, but I hope this is a start. You mean the world to me. You mean the world to me. You mean the world to me. Make a couple million house on the hill, live lavish.
Hey y'all, today is Wednesday and I just made my lunch. I already bit off one of them, but I fixed me some tacos. Before this, you should have seen me making them. If you want the recipe, like the quick version, it's gonna be on my Instagram highlight. So yeah, it is a holiday, so I didn't have school. I haven't been doing anything today but laying around, and I got hungry, so like, let me get up and make me something before I go eat something bad. Oh my gosh, look at my hair. That's all right. So if I do something else, I'll get back with y'all later. I am going to work out this afternoon because I did not go this morning. I couldn't wake up. So I'm going this afternoon. If I do something other than the spin class, if I do my strengthening class, then I'll record this so y'all can see it. My dog over here. All right, y'all. Bye. Alright, what's up, y'all? So it is Wednesday at 6:40. I just got to the gym. I'm getting ready to go in. I realized I say too much, so I'm gonna cut that out. I just got to the gym. I'm about to go in, and if I have some time to record, then I will. If we do something different, I will. If not, I'm not gonna bore y'all and keep repeating the same workouts and showing them, but hopefully I can get something new for y'all. Alright y'all, today is Thursday and I'm coming to close out the vlog. So I'm posting these to be like Fitness Fridays, so I have to close them out on Thursday. They'll be posted on Friday, and then Friday will be the beginning of the next vlog. So if you made it this far, one, I just want to say thank you. Round of applause. Thank y'all for watching this far. You must really like me if you get to Friday from Sunday, because them a couple of days. But hopefully I posted some good content that y'all actually enjoy and found informative. I got so excited. So like I said earlier, I post all of my food highlights, or I post all of my food on my Instagram, on my Insta stories. I have a highlight called Healthy Foods. And I just do that so people have access on different platforms. Like sometimes you might not feeling like coming through and watching the whole video. So that's why I put it on a highlight. And it's just like a picture and the recipe, the same thing that be on my they be in the videos, but just more convenient form. And somebody tried one of my meals, y'all. I'm actually gonna insert it. Somebody tried one of my meals and it looked good. And I was so happy. I was like, wow, I'm actually doing something. I'm actually doing something to help people. So, and that's why I do it, to help y'all out, because I stay looking on YouTube for recipes. One of my favorite people to watch is this lady named Shay Curry, and she always posts she does a Fitness Friday vlog, and she always posts good meals to eat. And so I'm just trying to do the same for y'all. If you are wondering, my scarf is so cute. J Honey Hair Co. If you don't follow my hair company, then you need to go follow it. J Honey Hair Co. on Instagram. I will put a screenshot of our Instagram page right here so you can see it. Yes, go like us on Instagram. Not like us, follow us on Instagram, and buy some hair shorty, because I got it, my J Honey baby. Period. Poo. Okay. So if it's anything in particular that y'all would like to see from me, just let me know. I respond to all of my comments. So just leave a comment down below. Go follow my Instagram and you can send me a DM. I'm gonna respond. I ain't no better famous. I'm really like y'all, so I'm definitely gonna respond. But once again, I just want to say thank y'all for watching my vlog. I do these for y'all because, like I said, I'm still looking at people's Fitness Friday vlogs, they meal preps, what I eat in a day, what I eat in a week, like transformation journeys. I'm still looking at those to get motivation. So I am doing this to be an outlet of motivation for you guys, okay? So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment below your favorite part of the video. Make sure you comment below what you want to see, because I'm trying to deliver for y'all. I'm gonna post this hair video. It's gonna get posted. I haven't finished yet. I'm just laying my edges down. So I love you guys. Bye.